Oh, oh, I got hit in the face. Oh, oh.
Hey guys, Aaron here, and today we'll be reviewing the Nerf Modulus Tri-Strike. Woohoo! Why it's called Tri-Strike, you ask?
Because there's 3 ways to blast.
So you can shoot out elite darts, mega darts, missile darts. But I like to call it mega darts. It comes with 10 elite darts, 4 mega darts, and 1 missile dart. The mega dart. So the Nerf Modulus is one of Nerf's latest creation in blasters.
Super customizable.
And there's over 1,000 combinations. Here are the instructions.
Alright.
Here's the stock, the missile dart launcher. Here's the mega dart barrel extension, the elite dart blaster, and the mag that can fit 10 darts.
And here are the darts.
Mega darts.
Here's mega darts, and here's, what do you call that, Aaron?
Mega darts.
Okay,
and
and
then the darts.
The
Just
darts
elite
here.
darts.
10 elite darts. Alright, and what are these pieces right here?
For the bolt.
Yeah, oh, this is for the bolt action.
So first we have to install these bolts into this little hole here.
Yeah, we're gonna put it right here.
Oh, through the hole? Okay, got it.
Okay, then see, you gotta cap that other bolt on the other side.
Okay.
Alright, so it's in. Okay, try it out.
So now we have to insert the stock right here. So let's go. Okay. That's the missile launcher on top of here. And there's even another tactical rail on top, so you could like go like, so you could aim more, like put another big sight on it. Now we have to put the attachment here that launches the mega darts, the mega dart barrel extension. And now it's on.
Wow, it's looking complete. Look at that.
Whoa. Now we're ready to load this. So let's put the mega dart in first. The mega darts in here. And we got all the darts in.
You think so? What do you call this?
Okay, now let's put the last dart in, and it's finished.
Woo! Ah,
For this.
yeah, that looks cool.
So are you guys ready to test this with me? Let's go! By the way, guys, gonna bring my friend here to test out the blaster. Alright, you guys ready? Let's do some target practice. And to get to our target is this guy. Got you. This blaster's so cool since each part is a blaster in itself. Let me show you. First, let's start with the blaster. Whoa, that was hard. Whoa. Yep, that's all. So now let's go to the mega dart launcher. So now let's do the missile dart launcher, or as I like to call it, the mega dart launcher. So let's, as you guys can see, it spins in the air. Yeah, that was fun. Now me and my friend Gas Mask Face Guy here, we're gonna have a battle. Who do you think's gonna win? Me. Me. Pew!
face. Oh. Oh. Ayuba. Oh. Ayuba. Oh. God, I hit the face again. Oh, what? Oh, that hurts. Ayuba.
Wow, that's an awesome battle! It was pretty hard to find him, but when I found him, I got him good. The reason I like the blaster is because there are 3 ways to blast. The lead darts, the mega darts, and the missile darts. Therefore, my blaster is more superior than his blaster. That's the reason I won. Yeah! Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Bye! Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!